Hi, everyone, and welcome to Back to Radiance, the podcast where we celebrate timeless beauty naturally. I'm Clara.
And I'm Jake. I may not be a baby boomer, but I'm here to learn what makes that generation glow, especially when they're following Clara's lead.
Well, it's not me you need to follow, Jake. It's Jan Benham, holistic therapist, aromatherapist, and creator of the Babel Boomers Beauty Bible. Her message is clear. Beauty isn't just skin deep, it's deeply personal.
I read the book, skimmed it, and I was surprised. It's not just creams and oils. She dives into food, stress, sleep, even breathing.
Exactly. Jan says the skin is a mirror to your inner self. If you're living on microwave meals, anxious all the time, and avoiding water like it's poison, your skin will show it.
Okay, guilty. But I liked how realistic she is. No perfectionism, just small steps, like replacing a harsh cleanser with a gentle oil, or choosing fruit over fries.
And detoxing, not just your body, but your environment. Get rid of the parabens, the propylene glycol, the fake fragrances. Your skin doesn't need a chemistry experiment. It needs nourishment.
I didn't even know what half those words meant. I looked at my shampoo bottle and saw things like methylparaben and EDTA. I thought, is this a beauty product or a science project?
You're not alone. That's why Jan's book matters. It teaches you to decode your products and reconnect with nature. Her beauty rituals are really self-care rituals.
I liked the part about the tree ceremony. Go outside, barefoot if you can, lean against a tree, and just breathe. Sounds weird, but I tried it. It was kind of amazing.
It works because it calms the nervous system. Less stress, lower cortisol, better skin. It's science and soul working together.
So let me get this straight. If I drink more water, eat better, ditch my toxic shampoo, and hug a tree, I'll glow like a boomer?
You just might, and you'll feel better too. That's the beauty of it.
Well, I'm in. What else can I do to keep my skin happy as I age?
Let's talk swaps. Jan recommends 3 easy changes. First, ditch soap-based cleansers. Use oil instead. Second, switch synthetic moisturizer for a natural one with essential oils like rose or lavender. Third, throw out that old foundation and try a mineral powder instead.
Oil as a cleanser? Won't that make your skin greasier?
Not if it's the right oil. Castor oil, jojoba. They actually balance oil production, and they're perfect for aging skin.
Okay, so oils are in, soaps are out. What about diet?
Glad you asked. Jan says sugar is your skin's enemy. It causes inflammation, breakouts, and ages you faster. If you want a clearer, firmer face, cut the sugar.
Ouch, sugar? But it's in everything.
It is. That's why she recommends natural sweeteners, like raw honey or fruit, and reducing processed foods as much as you can.
Sounds like a lifestyle change, not just a beauty tip.
Exactly. Beauty, according to Jan, is a side effect of wellness. Mindset, habits, and the products you use, they all matter.
I'm starting to get it. This isn't about looking younger. It's about feeling healthier, and your skin just reflects that.
You nailed it. And that's what Back to Radiance is all about.
Coming up, a Q&A with Jan herself and Clara's favorite DIY face oil recipe straight from the Beauty Bible.
Stay with us. You don't want to miss it.